Hey everyone, thanks so much for visiting our YouTube channel.
Yeah, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button.
Wait a minute, is that Ben? Ben Thompson? No way!
Alex? Alex Rivera? Oh man, it is you. What are you doing here?
Wow, Ben, I can't believe it. It's been, 15 years since high school graduation? I just moved back to town last month, relocated for a new job, and here you are in the middle of the market. Small world, huh?
15 years? It feels like yesterday we were skipping class to play soccer behind the school. Yeah, small world for sure. I live nearby now. Married, got 2 kids. What about you? Spill the beans, man.
Married? Kids? Look at you, all grown up. Me? Still single, but hey, life's good. The new job's in marketing at that big tech company downtown. I had to leave the city life behind. Miss the quiet here, you know? How's the family treating you?
Oh, the kids are a handful. My boy, he's 8, thinks he's a superhero, runs around the house in a cape all day. My daughter, 5, she's the boss. Tell me what to do. Wife's great though, she's a teacher now. Remember how we used to joke about never growing up? Guess that didn't stick.
Yeah, those school days, man, we had some fun. Remember that time we pranked Mr. Jenkins, put fake spiders on his desk? He screamed like a little kid. We got detention for a week, but it was worth it.
Oh yeah, Mr. Jenkins, poor guy. He turned red as a tomato. And you were the mastermind, always coming up with crazy ideas. I was just a sidekick. What about the school trip to the lake? We snuck out at night to swim, almost got caught by the chaperones. Good times, Alex. Really good times.
Totally. That lake trip, freezing water, but we didn't care. I felt invincible back then. Now, here we are, buying veggies like responsible adults. So what do you do these days? Still into cars like in school? You had that old bike you fixed up.
Cars? Oh yeah, big time. I own a small auto repair shop now. Nothing fancy, but it pays the bills. Fix up engines, tires, all that. Last week, I worked on this vintage Mustang. Beautiful ride. It reminded me of that bike I had. Remember when it broke down during our road trip attempt? We pushed it 5 miles home, sweating like pigs. How could I forget? My legs hurt for days, but we laughed the whole way. Hey, speaking of which, you still got that scar on your arm from when we fell off the treehouse? Right here. Battle wound from our fortress. We thought we were kings up there. Told ghost stories till midnight, scared ourselves silly. Man, life changes fast, doesn't it? Back then, no worries. Now, bills, kids' school. But it's worth it. It makes you appreciate old friends more. Yeah, it does. I mean, I was in the big city for years, chasing promotions, late nights at the office. Fun at first, but lonely sometimes. No one to share those stupid stories with. Running into you here, it's like a sign, to slow down and reconnect. Exactly, a sign. Hey, why don't we grab coffee sometime, catch up properly, not in the middle of apples and onions?
Coffee sounds perfect. There's that new cafe on Main Street. Remember the old diner we used to hang at with greasy burgers?
Oh, the diner! Best milkshakes ever. Yeah, let's do the cafe. How about next Saturday? Bring pictures of your adventures. I want to hear about city life. Bet you have some wild stories.
Saturday works, and yeah, stories. Like the time I got lost in the subway at midnight. I thought I was in a movie. Scary, but funny now. What about you? Any family trips or kid mishaps? Tons. Last summer, we went camping. My son tried to hunt for dinner with a stick, came back with a frog. My wife freaked out. We ended up with hot dogs. Kids make everything an adventure. Makes me feel young again, Sounds awesome. I need some of that energy in my life. Hey, remember our school talent show? You tried to juggle, dropped everything. The crowd loved it anyway.
Oh, don't remind me. I practiced for weeks. Balls everywhere. You saved me by jumping on stage with that silly dance. We were a team. Seriously, Alex, it's great seeing you. Feels like no time has passed. Same here, Ben. Life pulls us apart, but friends like you, they're the glue. Let's not wait another 15 years, okay? Deal. Text me your number. All right, I gotta run. Kids waiting for lunch. But Saturday, yeah? Saturday. Take care, man. See you soon. You too. See you in the cafe next Saturday.
Meeting an old friend after years can feel like stepping back in time. It reminds us of who we were and how far we've come.
Thanks for watching, learners.